Hello everyone, welcome back to A Taste of Angela Lifestyle. So glad that you came tune in to check up on me today, and what I'm gonna do a little simple Easter meal. I have onions, green bell peppers, and I got yellow and red green peppers as well. And I got some fresh herbs out the garden, Italian herbs, got garlic here, black pepper and salt, and I have a lime that I'm gonna prepare what I'm gonna do, Cornish hens. So that's what I'm gonna get started doing. Let me cut this lime in half. Okay, what we're gonna do is start laying the chicken on the pan. And I want to take this lime rather, and squeeze it all over. And I'm gonna start a seasoning. Black pepper. I love fresh herbs. Okay, now I'm gonna put some grapeseed oil. Let's give it some Italian herbs as well. Turn them over. And you can use any type of season that you prefer, that you like. And when this get to cooking in the house, it smells so delicious, baby. Make people think you've been in the kitchen cooking all day long. And I'm gonna put this in the oven to probably about 45 minutes to an hour. It's pretty colors. Okay, now what we're gonna do is here is my rice dish. A little bit of oil. And what I have here, my rice, I have 2 cups and a half of rice that's already been rinsed pretty good, and I have some beef mushroom stock. Add the rice to it. I'm gonna add my beef stock. Smell good. I'm gonna do like a little simple salad here. Okay, then we're gonna start adding everything else to it. Nice meal for Easter. And your family will enjoy it. It's just delicious. Thank you so much for coming in and checking up on Angela, A Taste of Angela Lifestyle. And I thank you so much. Have an awesome, awesome Easter. And tell your friends about this channel. And love you for being a part of my team and my family. A Taste of Angela Lifestyle. Happy Easter.